Hi, I'm Chyka and I have a busy life. I have an events company with my husband and I'm also creating my own homewares, lifestyle products, and I do lots of fun things with the media. I went to see a doctor to get an infusion who told me that he thought I was walking strangely and therefore thought I needed to get an MRI, which I was surprised because it was my back that was actually hurting. Well, when it came back, it said I had dysplasia, which means I had it since I was born. The only way to fix it was with a hip replacement, which I'm going to tell you shocked me because to me I associated that with an 80-year-old woman. But I also found out that a lot of women my age had actually slipped through the system and hadn't been tested when they were younger and therefore were having hip replacements younger. So I was surprised about the amount of swelling because obviously it's one leg, so you don't realise that one leg is actually swollen up more than the other. And so of course their idea was to constantly ice it. So in hospital I had ice packs going 24/7. It just didn't stop. I knew also too that I didn't want to keep on the drugs because they are so strong and I really wanted to sort of just try and pull back. When I got home, I of course only had ice packs that I could get at the chemist, so I was sort of constantly moving them around. But a girlfriend, she sent me through the RE3 pack and it was absolutely a game changer because it meant I could strap it onto my leg, I could put the ice in, I could stand up and do my exercises, I could walk, I could sit down, I could lie down, and I didn't need to worry about the packs moving, which was really the most important thing because you need to make sure you're putting it in the right place. So for me, that has been a total game changer and the most amazing product because I could do what I wanted to do without fear of stopping the processes that I was doing beforehand. I used my RE3 probably for about 12 weeks, like consistently. And then one day I realised I actually didn't need that kind of icing anymore. RE3 in 3 words is incredible, supportive, game changer.